Hey guys, my name's Nate and I'm the Outdoorsman, and in this video we're going to be opening up the August 2018 Cairn Box. Let's get going. So I was going to do a special treat and actually open this one up outside like I used to, but it was raining the entire time I was outside. I was actually on an event called Style of Fame, which I'll have a video coming out eventually. I was actually wearing the shirt, which you can't see, but Amateur Telescope Makers Convention. You've probably heard me and Tom talk about it before in passing. If you've watched all the videos or listened to the podcast, Wilderness Wanderers podcast. But yeah, I was going to open it up there, but I was busy. I was constantly moving during the convention, and also it rained the entire main day. Also, any background noise, I'm sorry. My upstairs neighbors are running their AC. But let's see what's going on inside. As always with this box, it's not sponsored. I pay for it myself. I just like sharing with you guys what I get. So let's see, what is the first item I grab? The first item is Vapor After Hours. Folding, freezable, flexible, BPA, dishwasher safe, vapor igniter, 300 milliliter flask. This is Vapor Incognito, the flask of the 21st century. With its flexible, low-profile design, the Incognito is the only way to transport your beverage after hours, so tip one back with a flask and revival. So it's basically a low-impact flask. It's a low-impact flask. Really what it is. Made by Vapor. So on it, comes with a couple things. Comes with a pour nozzle, and it comes with just a regular thing. I may end up eventually changing it so I don't get as much alcoholic based things. I do have it set so I can get, alcohol based things like beer and stuff, but I don't drink as much anymore. I used to drink a lot more, but I don't as much. But it would be nice for like something like this for me to carry out a small bit of bourbon or a nice bit of scotch for me to share with my friends, because I do like a little bit of scotch. And the way I tend to drink it is I tend to drink it neat. So, because I'm me. I do tend to drink some of my heavier alcohols, like scotches. I do like them neat, so I tend to buy a little bit more expensive ones. So a flask like this would probably be nice so I could bring them out, pour them out, and then have them. And I don't tend to drink a lot when I do, so I don't need to bring out a giant thing. So this would actually be more than enough for me. Let's see what else we got. Next thing. Product by Matador. I think I've found products by them before. The Pocket Blanket. I like pocket blankets. Easy pack instructions. So, and it has a Cairn logo on it. Matador Pocket Blanket. Seating surface, perfect for 2 to 4 people. Easy pack instructions. This is something, because I am working on making super light kits. You know what? I really do want to keep that label. So, for my own devices. very careful how I do this. There we go. So let's see. Okay, this is gonna be happy about this. Holy crap. I think you just lost me for a second. So it's not like it's not like a blanket that you would sleep in, but it's something you can place down to sit on. And I have a few trips that this is actually going to be really useful on. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what else we got. I'm just being silly. There we go. I don't know why I'm bundling myself up. It's like 85 degrees in here, and I'm actually getting warmer. Ooh. So the next thing, pocket cocktails. Designed in the Rocky Mountains, natural coconut lime flavored margarita. I'm not a margarita person, but it looks like this one was designed with Cassie in mind. So these are margarita mixes. I'm not going to try these right now. One, I don't have tequila in the house. I don't generally carry tequila. I'm more of a Scotch bourbon guy. Scotch bourbon, not Scotch bourbon. So if you ever want to know what type of liquor to bring me, there you go. But I drink more beer and wine more often than hard liquor. So use tear line to open satchel, pour crystals into empty bottle shaker, use indicated fill line, fill satchel 4 times with water to add shaker for perfect amount of water. Add 1.5 fluid ounces. If I'm not mistaken, it's also a pony? Or is that a jigger? Anyone who knows cocktail lingo, let me know. Shake cocktails for 15 seconds and enjoy! How long these are good for? Also, the other question is, can I pack these on? If you know that if I can pack these on check luggage, let me know. Thank you. I do have a honeymoon coming up. Actually, it smells really good because there's lemon in here. I'm not camping. Put this to the side. I'm gonna put this right there. So this is by Bar Country. I may have to look into what also they have. Best mix for tequila. So this is by Bar Country. Pocket tequila. Bucket cocktail. Bucket cocktail. For when you want to say bucket. I can, if you want the ingredients, let's see if I can get it to focus. I can never get these to focus. I'm kind of giving up on that slowly because, there we go. Pause it, zoom it, do whatever you want with it. I'm kind of slowly giving up on trying to give you guys the instructions because whatever. But it's pretty cool. Has hints of lime, coconut flavor, salt, gluten-free and vegan. If you like that. Actually, I know someone who would. The gluten partial. Yeah, let's see if there's anything else in here. And a light blue sticker. Man, this box is heavily designed for Cassie, and I should have filmed this while she was home and not at work. Nice blanket. Stuffs to make margaritas. I'm the one who filled out the Cairn Box survey. No, I'm joking, of course. Generally speaking, this stuff tends to get shared between the two of us. Most of it's mine, but I tend to share it with her too. But anyways, so which item is your favorite? As always, we kind of do a little bit of we do a survey. I forgot to mention at the beginning, but as always, up in this corner there is going to be a poll. I'm not going to point to it yet, but I just pointed to it. But which item is your favorite? Is the vapor flask, which is very light. It'd be great for a hiking trip, especially if you like to have a little nip at the end of the night. I'm not big on it as much. Alcohol sometimes give me migraines when I get migraines. Is it the Matador blanket, the pocket blanket? Is it the pocket cocktail? The pocket cocktail. Pocket cocktail. By Bar Country? Or is it the pocket blue sticker? It's very much as if they had given you a pocket bar scene. Which is kind of what I think they were going for. But, nevertheless, which one was your favorite item? Up there. Personally, my favorite is the pocket blanket. I do like the other ones, but as I said, as much as I do like the occasional drink, I don't drink as much anymore. I just don't. Cassie's gonna like this. She's also gonna like this, and she's gonna like this. This I find useful. They all have a very good use with me. But anyways, you guys have a good day. Remember, get in the woods, have some fun. I was out recently camping. That went interestingly. More on that in a different video. But anyways, see everyone.